Up to now, there's been plenty of traditional building work out there, but priorities are changing. Due to the rising energy costs and the climate crisis, homeowners want to insulate their homes and they want to use renewable energy. Not only priorities are changing, regulations are changing too. Landlords, for example, are required to have EPCs of band C or above for all new tenancies from 2025. We do need to adapt our businesses and our skills urgently. And organisations like Cosy Homes and Retrofit Works help you do just that.
We've been installing heat pumps now for over 15 years. As a company, we saw that as the most sustainable way for heating your homes and hot water for the future. We work with Cosy Homes Oxford. They link us up with other like-minded contractors, and we provide a whole house heating and insulation service for their end-use clients. That means there's a single supply chain and all the measures work together.
We used to be a so-called traditional builders. We used to deal with the traditional way of building houses and renovating them. Since 2020 we started working with eco-homes and retrofit. We've been trained by the manufacturers with the new technologies and systems, and this type of work is what we predominantly do now. There is such a demand for work at the moment that we focus mainly on that aspect of business.
So what are you going to do about it? Get yourself skilled up in eco-renovation. There are manufacturers out there that provide free training and technical support. There are green construction skill centres like Abingdon and Witney College, who provide training for young people and professionals. And there are a number of training organisations out there that specialise in retrofit. Do get in touch with Retrofit Works and we'll put you in the right direction.